The Burano is going to be an excellent camera for freelance owner-operators for a lot of reasons. It can do so many of the different things that it will find a place on any production, whether it's a high-end narrative production, a documentary production, a commercial production. The Burano will do what you need it to do, and it will also work very well alongside any of Sony's other cameras, from the A7S III, the A1, the FX series with the FX3, the FX6, the FX9, and even other Cine Alta cameras like the Venice and the Venice II. And as an owner, being able to say, yes, I can do that with my camera is going to open up a lot of jobs that would otherwise maybe be off limits because of certain requirements. Like, oh, well, it's got to shoot 6K. Well, Burano does that. Oh, well, it's got to shoot 1080. Burano does that. It has to shoot 120 frames per second. Burano does that. With the extra resolution of the sensor and all of your scan modes, you can use one camera, the Burano, in place of multiple other cameras because you can do 4K extracts and 1080 extracts from an 8K image. So you can do multiple person discussions and get 5 different angles out of it, all with one camera. So much easier to set up, much faster, and if you price out how much those 5 cameras would cost you to get that versus the cost of one camera that can do it, might make sense to do one camera instead of 5. Post-production flexibility is great with this camera. It shoots XAVC in the I and the H flavors, and it does have that 16-bit raw codec as well for those times when you need just like the utmost quality. Burano is also one of the easiest cameras out there to operate. Some of the reasons for that are all of the assignable buttons, which are all customizable. You can put a whole host of features on any of them for quick access. We have a touch-operated menu, the quick menu, and of course there's the direct menu, which is part of the viewfinder operation for a handful of features that you might need to be tweaking very quickly, very frequently, like things like white balance or shutter angle. It's because of those features and its versatility that we think the Burano makes an excellent owner-operator camera. It really is a Swiss Army knife of a camera. It's a tool that you can have that will do so many of the things that you need to do. And that's why we feel it's a great option for owner-operators. If you have more questions about Burano or are interested in purchasing, please reach out to us at Z Systems. You can find our contact information in the description below.